Want to try it? Ow, ow, ow. I want to see, I want to see.
Emma, where's your passy? Maybe don't give it to her. No, don't. I'm trying to get her to crawl. There you go. Get it. Nice. Reach in. A little too close, I guess. Wait, don't get it, May. Don't get it. We're trying to teach her to crawl. 1 second. Go, Ems.
Go!
You can do it.
You can do it.
Go get it, Em.
Get it.
He's thinking, why don't you just hand it to me? Oh. Ah. Good crawling, Em. Keep coming. You can do it.
She has to crawl that way.
1 second. 1 second.
She got.
She's trying so hard. She's trying so hard.
She got it.
She got the ball. Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma.
Then the baby.
Oh, she's sad now.
She's sad now.
Oh. Thanks, May. Thanks, May.
Then the baby.
Hey, Ty. Can you give it back, please? Thank you. Thank you. Let go. Ty, put it in your mouth, please. Thank you. That's the kind.